So I have a client who's got a problem in their car. Rear view mirror, you can't really see anything because water tanks and equipment. So the solution was to install a little rear view camera mirror. So turn the ignition on and your mirror becomes a rear view mirror again. It's connected to a camera on the that you mount on the back doors, and so you can see everything that's behind you. And then when you put it in reverse, I'm going to activate reverse. It drops the camera angle and it puts out the reverse assistance lines for when you're reversing. So take it out of reverse, shows you the full view behind you. In reverse, drops the camera angle and gives you your parking assist lines. Very cool.